On October 23, 2022, I came to Wawayanda State Park in northwestern New Jersey with friends to see the fall color change. This is the best time of the year to watch leaves color change here. Having lived in California for so long, I was very excited to see a different fall season. In this episode, I am going to walk with you in this park, experiencing the beauty of the fall. On the way to Wawayanda State Park, we already saw the color change here and there. The yellow and red color of the leaves, mixing with the eternal green color, makes the best picture around us. Since we do not see this often, we all could not wait to see more in the park. With only one afternoon, we did not really have a plan to visit different parts of the park. Rather, we just wanted to experience the color change wherever we go and capture the great scenes in our memory. After a couple of hours of walking, it was getting late. We had to leave. But we wish we had more time. On the way back, we could not help talking about the amazing views. Today, I am sharing the video and pictures with you and hope you can enjoy it with us.
Yes, sir.